Is it okay to clean your ear with earbuds?
Actually, no. You're not so.
As a mother, I always go for a regular checkup, blood test, eyesight, but honestly, I've never heard about hearing check. So today, I'm going for my first ever hearing check at 20 dB Hearing Singapore. Let's go! First time here at 20 dB Singapore. The staffs are so friendly. Making time for me today is so easy to forget about hearing health. Did you know we should check it once a year? The test was so easy, it only took a few minutes and I learned so much about my hearing. I'm so glad I did this. Hearing is something that we often take for granted. I learned that it's super important to check your hearing regularly, especially if we hit our 40s. If you have never done it, I recommend you to do your own hearing check. It's at 20 dB Hearing. Take the first step.